Today, I'll walk you through how to split a date into year, month, and day, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to extract these components from your date in Power BI so you can analyze your data more effectively. Let's get started. First, open your Power BI dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, and it's the foundation for your data analysis. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be the same. Next, in Power BI Desktop, click on Transform Data located on the Home tab. This action will open the Power Query Editor, which is where we will perform our date transformations. The Power Query Editor is like a workshop for your data, allowing you to refine and reshape it as needed. Now, select your date column. This is the column that contains the dates you want to split. Think of it as the canvas where we will extract the specific pieces of information we need. Once you have your date column selected, go to the Add Column tab at the top of the Power Query Editor. This is where we will add new columns for the year, month, and day. Now, here comes the fun part. Click on the Date button in the From Date and Time group. This will give you several options for extracting the components of your date. To extract the year, click on Date, then Year, and finally select Year. This will create a new column with just the year extracted from your date. Next, to extract the month as a number, click on Date, then Month, and select Month. This will give you the month in numerical format, which is useful for various analyses. If you prefer to extract the month as a name, you can do that too. Simply click on Date, then Month, and select Name of Month. This will provide you with the full name of the month, like January or February. Finally, to extract the day, click on Date, then Day, and select Day. This will create another new column with just the day of the month. Once you have extracted all the components you need, go back to the Home tab and click on Close and Apply. This will save your changes and return you to the main Power BI interface, where you can see your newly created columns. And there you have it. You've successfully split a date into year, month, and day in Power BI. This process not only helps in organizing your data, but also enhances your ability to analyze trends over time. But if this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.